Hi guys, Dorothy here, and we're here today to share with you a fall altered file folder that we made. I used the kit Suddenly Autumn from Studio 28E. We'll be, Monday, we'll be releasing the first video tutorial where we'll build the base. Then Tuesday I'll release the decorating the base and adding the pockets. Wednesday I'll release decorating the pockets and, you know, the final finishing, building the journal that goes in it and all that we'll do Wednesday. And then Thursday I'll release, you know, all the tags, and we'll finish up all the last little bit of things, do the closure, that type of thing. So again, I use Suddenly Autumn by Studio 28E, and I will link it below. So sort of show you, and this is just a basic, you know, if you've never made an altered file folder before, this would be, you know, a great place to start. So here's our cover, and we got some layering, some cheesecloth, some twine, little tags in the kit. I love that image. It opens up in here. We'll start in the back. There's a large pocket in the back, and it's got some tea-dyed paper in there. And there's a floating pocket, and it's got some paper with a decoration on it. And again, you can use any kind of paper you want in here. This is made out of part of the file folder that's left over, so I try to minimize the leftover paper that we have from the file folder. You will use 2 file folders though. Then there's a mini file folder for journaling and New England mincemeat. Again, lots of cute little images in the kit. And then this is the journal. It's not stapled, it's not tied or anything, so you can change it up. You can put, you know, regular coffee or tea-dyed paper. You can do watercolor paper. I mean, you literally could do any kind of paper you want and remove it as you want to. So this actually has 5 pages in it, and so there's that in front and back, and the inside is made with the file folder. An image, it's a large tag, another one of the cute little images. And then on the back we've got a layered tag with some washi. Again, it's a journaling page. There's lots of pretty images in this kit, so, and I may not use the same exact ones, you know, images as we're building it. It'll probably be, you know, just as I come to it. And there's a small journaling booklet, and a tag, some music paper. So I mean, it's just a basic little altered folder. And, you know, it's not super lacy. It's not, I'm not going, you know, to all that extent of adding all of that, just because I wanted to do the basic folder, because, you know, a lot of people may not have lace, especially if you're starting out and you don't know how to do it. You know, you may not have a lot of that stuff. So, you know, everybody has file folders. You know, the kit from Studio 28E is not an extremely expensive kit. It's extremely reasonably priced. It's very well made. You know, and it's digital, so you can print it at home. So, you know, if you want to make, you know, multiples to give as gifts at Thanksgiving or, you know, whatever, you could do that. You know, cheesecloth you can buy at the grocery usually. If you don't have cheesecloth, you can use gauze, like medical gauze. You can buy it like at the Dollar Tree, Walmart. You know, a lot of people have that in a first aid kit. And I'll show, you know, sort of how, a fast way of how you can coffee dye, you know, your cheesecloth. Is pretty easy. And of course, twine you can buy just about anywhere. You don't even have to use twine. You could use yarn. You could use lace, ribbon, you know, whatever you want. Tools are very basic. You need either a wet glue or like a score tape, a double-sided tape. You need twine, 2 file folders, the digital kit, scrap paper, washi if you want to use washi, but you do not have to use washi, a hole punch, I actually used an 1/8 inch hole punch. If you don't have an 1/8 inch hole punch, I will tell you an alternate way that you can do, you know, to get around that if you don't have that. It does have a 1/4 inch spine. A scoreboard if you have it, but if you don't have a scoreboard, you can use a ruler, and a pencil or a pen, scissors. I think that's about it. Not a whole lot. So I'll have a list of everything that you need in the first video. And each of the videos, you know, I'll try to list, you know, what pages I used and all of that, so you can follow along. So I just wanted to let you know that it was coming. The tutorial will be here Monday, so we will see you then in our fall altered file folder craft along. So thanks for watching. See you next time.